Okay, a moment ago I talked about how I created this web and how I put it in sequence, and now I'm going to explain the competitive aspect for you. First off, I like to bring a competitive aspect to everything, and in word finds I'm no different. I like to make it fun, interesting, and if it's not, then who's going to want to do it, right? So first of all, the first strategy is using a timer. So obviously you could always set it up versus a timer, and for me I've already established that I'm about 6 minutes per puzzle. Now I could always try and get myself to be faster and faster, but once I get good at playing these puzzles versus the timer, it gets boring after a while being by myself, so then I'll go head to head. Okay? So head-to-head play is where I buy 2 of these books instead, and then I sit across from somebody or a team of people, like 5 people that happen to have the same word find as me, and I say, okay, fine, let's go versus, everybody go to page 33, and then everybody will do the same exact puzzle, and whoever finishes first gets to be the winner. Right? And then you can rank it as well. So, which transitions us into the ranked form of competition, which is everyone in my classroom, let's turn to a puzzle. If we all have the same books, let's turn to the same puzzle. And then we'll say, okay, let's all begin. And the first person to finish stands up, goes to the front of the class. And the next person, the next person. And then when we get 10 people, wonderful. Now everyone else has to finish it for homework. That way we don't take forever waiting for everyone to finish, because that's just too much time. You could always say, well, rank to 3, rank to 10. I like to go to 10 because typically that's right about the average, and then everyone else has something to complete at home. Typically, there's another way of doing it where you can motivate kids is to give them an award. Now, I got these special awards once at a teacher supply place, and they're like these wooden plaques, but they don't have to be that fancy. They could be anything. Just say, this is the prize for the person that finishes their whole book first. Okay, so if they finish all 90 puzzles, they get they get the award, or the first person to finish the whole book, or that kind of thing. And so that's another nice way of doing it. So I think competition is very important. It's self-motivating. It doesn't mean that I have to sit there next to them all the time, motivating them and pushing them to do the next word. So anyways, there's other videos on my word finds, but this is just another chapter, and I'll make another video showing me doing a puzzle.